Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 22nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar finally did make a pretty decent little push up. To me, this definitely looks like impulsive up, most likely three waves down. Most likely this is all part of a crescent, like a wave 4 on the daily time frame, probably a wave 3 over here. I'm expecting it to at least go up, take out the high of wave A, probably end up around the 38%, possibly even the 50%, but depending on what it looks like at the 38, if it makes that double top break a structure, then I'll probably get out of my longs and most likely go short for the wave 5. Then we're going to have to see how it reacts on the higher time frames, to whether this really is a 3, 4, 5, or whether it's actually just a subdivision of a much bigger downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.